Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a makeup challenge, and this makeup challenge is very common on YouTube. So I am going to try this simple challenge which is literally very difficult, and this is a random color makeup challenge, which means it will show me a random color which I will apply as a primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner and maybe blush and lipstick, not as a foundation because I need something to be cleaner so that everything else can be seen on the screen. So I am literally confused as to what will happen in this challenge. Oops, will my face look funny? Yes, it will look funny, I guess. So I am so pumped up with this challenge. Let's get into the video. So first, as usual, I'm going to pin my bangs. Next, I'm going to apply my moisturizer. Taking a generous amount, I'll apply. Next comes the primer part. I'm scared. So let's find out on Google what color it shows me. So this is the website. So I'll click the website. Oops, green. So it's green base. So I'm taking my corrector. I'm taking this green color. So as you can see, it's very difficult to apply with a brush. So I'm going to switch my finger, apply the amount. This is too ugly. So next I'm taking my foundation by Maybelline. So I'm taking a little bit of my foundation. I think I need too much. What is wrong with my foundation? It's just not sticking properly. Oh, that's a tough one. So I'll apply a little bit on my neck. Too bad. I feel too bad with my face. It's literally too bad. It's just, makeup is just shifting here and there. It's just not stable. This foundation literally dries out really fast, and this is not actually drying it out. I don't know why. So next I'm going to put little concealer. I don't know how much it's going to stay, but I have to put it. So I'm not taking any random color for it. I'm just applying a simple concealer, which is by Makeup Revolution. I don't know what's wrong with my makeup. Why this foundation is not. So under the eyes and little bit here and here. So that's it. I'm not putting much. So I'll just blend with this is a beauty blender. Literally. I hope this makes my makeup little neutral and little presentable. So as you can see, my foundation is literally not stable. It's just shifting here and there. So I'll put little powder by K Beauty. Just take a little amount. So as I follow the process, so I will do my contouring next. So let's see the color. And it's orange contouring. So I'll mix orange and brown, as it was orangish something brown. It's nice. I think I matched. Contouring my nose and jaw here. And I'll just try to blend it out. It's hard. It's difficult because as I have already applied my face powder, which was dumb idea to do, but it's okay. Let's do it. And it's orange. It's too bad. Green, then orange, then I don't know what else I have to go through. It would have been much better if it was my color, but it's okay. I'm fine. It's not that bad. Now I'll switch to my eyeshadow. So taking again this website. Oh, this is a nice color, but do I have for eyeshadow? It's tough. So I don't have this exact shade. So I am going to mix these two, blue and green, and a little bit of yellow in it. I'm switching to this brush. It's very difficult to blend. Too much of color spreading all over my face. Such a pretty color, but it's all over my face. The website. So I'll take my liquid lipstick. Apply with my finger. From the palette, I'm taking my color. So now I'm going to end with my white color on my eyebrow bone. So let's find out for the inner corners of my eyes. For the inner corners of my eyes. Oh, too much of green. Since I don't have that green, I have another beautiful green. Now I'll apply my eyeliner. Let's find out the shade. I don't have these funky color palettes, so I'm taking my lipstick. So I'm taking my brush, putting a good amount. Let's see what happens. I'm going to do my eyebrow. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I'll apply kajal. Already too much of makeup. So now that kajal is done, now I'll apply mascara. I'm applying mascara. So next we'll see which lipstick color do we get. The website. Wow, I'm in a luck today. Hopefully this will match. I love this color. This is my final look. This was really long and really difficult video to make, but I literally enjoyed each and every part of it. I hope you liked it. Do let me know. Like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Insta. Till then, love you guys. Bye.